Number 1. Meet the compact yet powerful lighting gear from Ulanzi. Built for creators on the go. Bright, compact, and affordable. This LED light gives your smartphone or camera footage a pro-level glow. Bonus, it's magnetic and rechargeable. Lightweight and portable, with adjustable brightness. Perfect lighting anytime, anywhere. Even in low light scenes, get crystal clear shots. Your content deserves pro-level lighting. Secure your phone or camera with Ulanzi's versatile mounts. No shake. No limits. Fully compatible with tripods, rigs, and ring lights. Plug and create, no hassle. From overhead to side shots, Ulanzi unlocks every creative angle. Outdoor shooting, compact design. Small in size, big in performance. Take it anywhere. Shoot everywhere. Minimal design, solid metal build. Crafted for serious creators. Ulanzi isn't just a gadget. It's a creative upgrade. Now number 2. CapCut is one of the most powerful mobile video editors, and the best part? It's completely free. With its intuitive timeline, trimming clips and adding transitions is incredibly easy. Choose from hundreds of effects, trendy text styles, and animated stickers to bring your videos to life. Use AI features like background removal and auto captions to save time and create faster. Export in high resolution and instantly share on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Download CapCut today and start creating content like a pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Number 3. Want to level up your audio without breaking the bank? Hold up, this tiny mic might surprise you. This is the Boya BY-M1, a compact lavalier mic that plugs in with just a 3.5mm jack, and boom, you're ready to record. Listen to that difference. No more muffled sound. No more background noise. Just clean, clear audio. Whether you're a vlogger, student, or podcaster, this mic has your back. Looking for awesome gadgets on a budget? You're in the right place. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Number 4. Clapperboard Luma Fusion, Pro Video Editing, anywhere you go. Hand with fingers splayed, swipe through the timeline, edit with multiple layers, use powerful tools, and zoom in for precise control, giving you full command over your projects. Sparkles create more engaging videos with stunning effects and smooth transitions. Headphone, this tool lets you edit audio and music like a pro, right inside your project. Outbox tray, fast video export and easy sharing on social media. Fire Luma Fusion, professional editing at your fingertips. Bell, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Number 5. If you're a content creator or want more order in your workflow, this tiny gadget is going to change your life. This is the Elgato Stream Deck Mini, a small controller with 6 LCD buttons that you can customize for anything. With its dedicated software, you can assign one or more actions to each button, from launching apps to controlling OBS. Streaming. One click to switch scenes, turn on the mic, or play a sound effect, all with one button. Not just for streaming. Use it for daily tasks too, faster, more precise, and distraction-free. Compact and portable design, but packed with the power of a professional controller. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, lots of cool gadgets are on the way.